Okay, this is a little unusual, but has anybody else noticed, or is it just me that noticed that these washing machines don't really be washing clothes like they should be? Or like we're accustomed. You know how they used to have the big cylinder in the middle and it would at least be turning and you could see it? I think some of them are hidden and then they pop up or whatever, but it only comes up like halfway. Like, what is the thing doing just spinning around in a circle, right? Throwing that ass in a circle. Anyway, I just wanted to know, is anybody else out there who actually agitates their clothes like me? I mean, like, do you get in there? Like, what I do is I even add hot water because they don't have a lot of hot water here. I boil it and then I pour it in the machine. Even though it's good to wash your clothes in cold, but sometimes you need to get some heat to agitate that oil. But I'll take it and I'll just what you see I'm doing now, and I just keep some of my string out, some of my rub together. It all depends. These was big old sheets and blankets and stuff, so it was hard to do that. But yeah, sometimes you just gotta put some oomph into your oomph. You know what I mean? And then let the machine do the rest. This is after I had did it a couple of times. But yeah, who out there else do that? Let me know.